Hey everyone, Polyglot Pablo here, and did you know that knowing just a handful of basic phrases can unlock a whole new world of communication? Imagine being able to greet someone, ask for directions, or even order food in Russian. These small steps can make a huge difference in your travel experiences and interactions. We're about to embark on a 10-minute journey into the heart of the Russian language, equipping you with the essential phrases to navigate any Russian-speaking environment with confidence. Whether you're planning a trip to Moscow, making new friends, or just curious about the language, these phrases will be your gateway. Now you might be wondering, why Russian? Why not another language? Well, with over 250 million speakers worldwide, Russian is a key that opens doors to rich cultural experiences, fascinating conversations, and a deeper understanding of this often misunderstood part of the world. From the bustling streets of St. Petersburg to the serene landscapes of Siberia, Russian connects you to a vast and diverse community. In the next few minutes, we're going to break down the language barrier together, brick by brick. We'll start with greetings, move on to essential questions, and even cover some useful phrases for everyday situations. Get ready to impress your friends, navigate like a local, and maybe even surprise yourself with how much you can learn in just a few minutes. Let's dive in. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid foundation to build upon, making your Russian language journey both exciting and rewarding. Before we jump into the phrases themselves, let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty and complexity of the Russian language. It's a language that has evolved over centuries, influenced by various cultures and historical events, making it a rich tapestry of sounds and meanings. Spoken across a vast geographical expanse, Russian is known for its lyrical quality, its rich literary tradition, and its ability to convey subtle nuances of meaning. From the bustling streets of Moscow to the serene landscapes of Siberia, the Russian language is a unifying thread that connects millions of people. It's the language of Dostoevsky, Tolstoy, and Chekhov, a language that has shaped history, art, and culture for centuries. These literary giants have used Russian to explore the depths of the human soul, to question societal norms, and to paint vivid pictures of Russian life. Learning even a few basic phrases in Russian is like opening a window into this fascinating world. It gives you a glimpse into the daily lives of its speakers, their traditions, and their way of thinking. It allows you to connect with native speakers on a deeper level, to appreciate the nuances of their culture, and to gain a newfound appreciation for the power of language itself. Imagine being able to participate in a Russian cultural festival, understanding the songs, the dances, and the stories being told. Think of it this way. Every new language you learn is like adding another string to your bow. Each language equips you with new tools to navigate the world, to solve problems, and to build relationships. It expands your horizons, enriches your understanding of the world, and allows you to connect with people from all walks of life in a way that wouldn't be possible otherwise. Learning Russian in particular opens doors to a vast and diverse cultural heritage. So as we delve into these essential Russian phrases, remember that you're not just learning words. You're embarking on a journey of cultural discovery. Each phrase you learn is a key to unlocking a deeper understanding of Russian history, art, and everyday life. You're opening yourself up to new experiences, new perspectives, and new ways of seeing the world. Whether you're planning a trip to Russia, making new friends, or simply expanding your linguistic skills, learning Russian can be a transformative experience. And who knows, maybe this is just the beginning of your love affair with the Russian language. As you continue to learn and explore, you might find yourself drawn deeper into its poetic rhythms and expressive capabilities. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and today, we're taking those first few steps together. Embrace the challenge, enjoy the process, and let the Russian language open new doors for you. Now let's get practical. Whether you're planning a trip to Russia, meeting Russian-speaking friends, or just want to expand your linguistic skills, knowing some essential phrases can be incredibly helpful. Here are some essential Russian phrases that will have you speaking like a local in no time. These phrases will not only help you communicate but also show respect and appreciation for the Russian culture. Zdravstvuyte, zdravstvuyte. Hello, this is the most common way to greet someone in Russian. Remember to roll that R slightly. It's a formal greeting, perfect for both new acquaintances and professional settings. Spasibo, spasibo, thank you. A simple spasibo goes a long way in showing your appreciation. Whether someone holds the door for you or helps you with directions, expressing gratitude is always appreciated. Пожалуйста, пожалуйста. please, you're welcome. This versatile word can be used both to ask for something politely and to respond to a thank you. It's a small word with a big impact, making your interactions smoother and more pleasant. Da, da. Yes, short and sweet. This simple affirmation can be used in a variety of situations, from agreeing with someone to confirming plans. Net, no, just as straightforward as its English counterpart. It's important to be able to say no politely and clearly, and this word will help you do just that. Isvanite. Excuse me, use this phrase to get someone's attention or to apologize for a minor mishap. It's a polite way to navigate through crowded places or to interrupt a conversation without being rude. Kakdala? How are you? A great way to strike up a conversation and show interest in someone. It's a friendly and common way to start a dialogue and can lead to more meaningful interactions. Menya Zovat. My name is... Introduce yourself with confidence. This phrase is essential for making new friends and acquaintances. It sets the stage for a more personal connection. Kak vas zovut? What's your name? Once you've introduced yourself, don't forget to ask for their name in return. It's a polite and engaging way to show interest in the person you're speaking with. Я не говорю по-русски. I don't speak Russian. Don't worry if your Russian isn't perfect. This phrase will let people know you're still learning. It's a humble way to acknowledge your limitations and can often lead to helpful and patient responses from native speakers. Remember, learning a new language is a journey. These phrases are just the beginning. Practice them, use them in real-life situations, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every effort you make will be appreciated and will bring you one step closer to fluency. So go ahead and start using these essential Russian phrases. You'll find that even a few words can open doors, create connections, and enrich your experiences. Happy learning! You might be thinking, okay, but how much can I really do with just a few phrases? And that's a valid question, but here's the thing, even these seemingly simple phrases hold immense power. Imagine yourself strolling through the streets of Moscow, navigating the metro system like a pro, and ordering a delicious meal, all in Russian. These phrases are your keys to unlocking those experiences. More than that, they're your tools for building connections. Imagine the smile on a local's face when you greet them in their native tongue, or the feeling of accomplishment when you successfully ask for directions and find your way. These small interactions add up to create a richer, more immersive travel experience. They break down barriers, foster understanding, and allow you to connect with people on a human level, regardless of language differences. Don't just take my word for it. Countless language learners and teachers will tell you the same thing. Knowing even a few basic phrases can make a world of difference. As Benny Lewis, the polyglot behind the popular language learning website Fluent in 3 Months once said, "The first phrase I learn in any language is always hello. It's the bridge between two cultures, the key that unlocks the door to communication." And it's true, that simple greeting can open up a world of possibilities. It shows that you're willing to make an effort, to meet people halfway, and to engage with their culture. Another language enthusiast, Lindsay Does Languages, emphasizes the importance of starting small. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. The most important thing is to start speaking, even if it's just a few words. Now here's the key takeaway. Learning these phrases is just the first step. The real magic happens when you start using them, when you integrate them into your daily life, and when you allow yourself to make mistakes and learn from them. Practice saying these phrases out loud, record yourself, and listen back to identify areas for improvement. Find a language partner, join a conversation group, or simply immerse yourself in Russian media to reinforce what you've learned. Remember, language is a living, breathing thing. It's meant to be used, to be played with, and to be shared. So don't be afraid to get out there and start speaking Russian. And there you have it. You're now equipped with a handful of essential Russian phrases that will serve you well on your language learning journey. What are your favorite phrases from today's video? Share them in the comments below. And if you're hungry for more Russian language tips and tricks, be sure to check out my next video, where we'll dive deeper into the world of Russian grammar and vocabulary. So there you have it, my friends, a little taste of the beautiful Russian language. Remember, every new phrase you learn is a step closer to fluency, a step closer to connecting with people from all over the world. Don't be shy, get out there and practice. And hey, if you ever find yourself in a Russian-speaking country, come find me. We'll grab some borscht, practice our Russian, and explore the world together, one language at a time. Until next time, stay curious, keep learning, and most importantly, keep exploring the incredible diversity of languages and cultures that our world has to offer. Do svidaniya.